Good afternoon, everybody. I'm coming to you today. Got a good customer here, been with me for a long time. This last week we had some really high winds, and a little mishap on the road. A tree had come down in front of him, and luckily the only thing it got was this headlight. It didn't get the bumper, didn't get the fender or anything. Got him a new light ordered in. Took me 3 times to get a good light for this. It's not about the damage done. This is about when you guys go down and get parts and stuff, and you find a box that's been taped back shut. Make sure that you open them up. The first one that I come across, somebody had bought the light and returned it, and what they did is they kept the light bulbs here and here, and they kept this grommet. They took everything and then took the light back. The second one that I got, this piece right here for the adjuster, this was missing, and this was broke. And both of them boxes had been opened up before. So when you guys are buying parts and you find a box that's been opened, got different tape and a different place on it, make sure you open it up there on the counter, inspect it. I inspected them all while I was right there. I've had it happen at pretty much every parts store that I've ever come in contact with, have stuff happen like this. But they don't care, you can open it up. They're not going to raise a fuss about it. Just save you some time from running back and forth. So this one here, it turned out perfect. Everything's in great shape. Nothing's missing. We're going to go ahead and get it installed for the driver. Get them adjusted and be back on the road. So y'all out there, have a great day. Be safe. Watch out for any objects in the road. Thank you very much. Bye.